On a tree-lined street in one of Niagara's most historic neighborhoods sits this one-of-a-kind redstone of noble architecture.
And this isn't just any location. This home sits at the top of Wolseley Gardens, the prettiest Sunday drive we have here in our community.
Circa 1906, this home oozes an original character and even has its original butler's staircase.
Hey, mama, don't you treat me wrong. Come and love you, daddy, all night long, all right now. Hey, hey, all right. See the girl with the diamond ring? She knows how to shake that thing, all right now, now, now. Hey, 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 hey.
With splashes of modern design and a potential for an in-law suite, an opportunity like this doesn't happen very often.